Hello, my Lunaris crew. We are back into another tutorial for Dragon Tamer, and I feel like more people should be playing this game because it's awesome. Today we're gonna be learning how to enhance battles, your dragons, so they can become, a little bit stronger. When it comes to battles, you need a matching fountain, and you can find them on buildings, but you guys cannot see them because I already bought it, and it takes 2 days to repair it. So you go to enhancement, right? And then you have all these enhancements that you can do to your battles. My personal favorite one is this one, the red one, the revenge magic, because when an ally gets fainted, like one of my dragons gets fainted, all of my teams gets 12% stronger. And the way you can actually get magic coins as well is by unlocking or getting new dragons, and depending on the rarity, that's how much you're gonna be getting. It depends really. As you can, I already have this dragon, so we're not gonna be able to see it. But let's see. Oh, right here. Okay, so ultra rare gives you 6 every time you unlock ultra rare dragons, and then rare dragons give you more, so on and so forth, like this. See? So yeah, that's how you pretty much get new magic essence. You need that to level up the enhancements. You need that to level them up. So that's what the enhancement is for. And the way you guys are gonna use it in battle is the following. Just to give you an example, let's go to the campaign one real quick, and then we're gonna battle. And then you're gonna click right here, okay, right next to element, and it shows you all the enhancements that you can apply for your battles. My personal favorite one, like I said, is this one. So I'm more of an attacker type of person, so let's go for that one. Sorry, I sneezed silently. So I'm also thinking the green one, but let's do this one just as an example. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna choose a low-level dragon, so you guys can actually see the effect. The effect is gonna be shown real quick, but it's gonna be noticeable though. I promise you that. Let's do this one. Yeah, well, hold on. I think I should have another low-level one. Do I? I do not. No, you know what? Let's go for it. Let's go for it, guys. It's okay. So let's go for this one, level 11, I guess. Okay. Alright, so that's... Okay, so I'm gonna put it on normal speed so you guys can see the effect. So I'm gonna auto attack with the normal speed, and then it's gonna die, and look at that, the red mark enhancements. That means the remainder of my team, my 4 dragons, they have 12%. They are 12% stronger, and you guys can actually see that through their attacks. See that? 13,000. So they did become a little bit more stronger than what they normally are, and that's why I love this essence. I'm thinking of also building like a defense type of team and stuff like that, so that I'm able to, become defensive. So let's speed it up. I already showed you the example. I don't think that the rest of my team is gonna get fainted because they are stronger than my enemy's dragon. So there you go. So that's how you guys activate the enhancements, and that is how you guys can choose the enhancement as well. And so my recommendation is to unlock every single enhancement first, and then go for the one that you actually like and level that one up, and then you go for the next one, depending on what you are looking for in battles, right? Another thing I've noticed as well, just to show you guys an example, let's go to the arena and let's attack this guy here. Okay, there's called elemental resonance. So whenever you have the same element That's the percentage that you're gonna have. So if all 5 of your teammates are in the same element, you're gonna get a 20% extra attack, health, and defense. That means you're gonna be a little bit stronger than the others, right? So the other team, as you guys can see, they have a red color on the top right corner, right next to the 10. That means he has 15% more health, attack, and defense, and I have 20. So you guys are not gonna see much of like difference in attack because the 5% is what's affecting it, but I am a little bit stronger by the end of the day, and I have a little bit more health than the other team. And so yeah, so that's how you guys become stronger. And honestly, I do feel a little bit of a difference because normally my attacks become like 700 up to 1,000, and I'm doing a little bit more. So that's good. See that? 5,000. So that's good. I know like these numbers is not like a big deal compared to like the ones that are higher up, right? The dragons that are level 100. But at least you get an idea of how these things work, so your team can become stronger. And this is what I want you guys to know. So I hope that with this tutorial, you guys are gonna be able to become stronger and be able to at least have a little bit more fun with this game, because it's just amazing. And you guys are more than welcome to join my alliance. I made a previous video about it, so you guys can check it out, and the name of it too, in case you want to join me. And and all I can tell you guys is thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys stay safe, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a good one.